This little secret has made newbies up to $1,076 online in a pure profit. People have been keeping this method I'm about to show you in today's tutorial a secret. So I made up my mind I'm going to be sharing this with my subscribers to show them how newbies can also make $1,076 online with no experience. You can also do this no matter where you are. Also, when you come from Asia, you come from Europe, you come from Africa, no matter where you're living, you can do this worldwide. And you don't need too much to do this. You only need your computer or laptop or even with your smartphone. The money you are going to earn with this method, you can also withdraw it with the PayPal, or you can withdraw it with your direct banking. So before we move on into today's tutorial, please give this video a thumbs up. I really appreciate that, because it's going to help this video go more viral to many people out there that want to learn how to earn money online. So if you're also new yet, please subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell button, so each time when I create new videos like this, you'll be the first one to get notified, and in this way you'll be the first person to start using this strategy to earn money online before it gets saturated. I also have a second channel called Online Money. So guys, also subscribe to this channel, because I'll be sharing with you different ways to earn money online, and you also have the chance to suggest what type of online business model you would like me to talk about on that other channel. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel. So with that being said, let's move on into today's video. So this is the software we're going to be promoting. Okay, this is a pure affiliate marketing tutorial, but in a new method that you've never seen before. Before I move on, I want to show you this simple calculation. It is $299 per month, and let's just go and do the calculation here. So $299 times 12 months equals to 3,588. So now times 30%, boom, we get $176. Just need only one click to make $1,176. And I'm going to be showing you towards the end of this video a live demo, so don't miss that. Stick to this video to the end so you can understand exactly how this method works. Once again, as you can see, this is the plan based on monthly prices. So this software is a new software being used by different type of big companies out there that trusted this software, which means it's a legit software to promote, guys. These are things that we want to look to make us know that these softwares are really converting and making real money, because they are being trusted by all these big company, guys. And if you also go down to the bottom, we will see that they have really 5-star reviews from different companies that has bought this software. So these are good impression to make us know that this software really kick ass. It means this software is really converting. So now let me just show you guys what the software is for. You can convert up to 300% more visitors into lead and demos and also sales. This is what every company wants, guys. They want the lead, they want to convert sales, so they can increase in their conversion. This software is going to help them to grow and get even more sales. So tell me, guys, which company will not want to have this software? So if you go to the price, we will see that if you want 173 unique visitors every month to your website using the software, it costs $299 per month. So guys, please don't just leave this video, wait to the end, because I'm going to be showing you exactly where we're going to be getting targeted companies from that we're going to promote this software to. Okay guys, so don't miss that. Assuming if the other companies want more visitors, like even 325,000 unique visitors every month, it means they're gonna have custom pricing. It means that it's even more than $299, which means that you can also earn even more than $1,076 with only one click. So before we go to that, let me just show you to sign up to their affiliate program. Just need to go down to the bottom and you will see under company you can check out the partners. So when you click on the partners, it's going to bring you to this next page here. Okay, as you can see, the first step, you need to join and get your referral link. The second step, you're going to share your referral link, and when people click your referral link and buy this software, you're going to get paid for that. And what you're going to be rewarded for is that you're going to be rewarded 30% of every sales made through your referral link. This method I'm going to be showing you today, I'm going to show you exactly a live demo how we're going to be targeted people that are also willing to buy this software. To sign up to their affiliate program, you just need to click on join. When you click on join, it's going to bring you to where you can fill all these forms here, guys. And after when you fill the forms, you are going to get your referral link. First of all, you need to make sure you give them a legit email address, because they're going to be sending you a verification to your email address, which you have to verify. And after that, you can get your affiliate link and start promoting your software. So now let me show you the live demo how we're going to be promoting this software, okay, to get highly targeted people that are ready to buy this software, guys, okay, and use it for their business. So to do that, we just want to go to Google. So guys, very important, you need to look for small businesses. For example, let's just go and look for, I would advise you to start with small businesses like cooking course in USA. Alright guys, we can see now we are on cooking course in USA. So we don't need to go to this first page here, on Google, because these are only bigger companies, guys. To find a really high targeted people, you need to target on the small business, and which you're going to find starting from the third page on Google, okay, on Google search. So we want to go down to the bottom and look for the third pages, okay. I want to start with the third pages, find small businesses. So we can just go to click on third page. So we can see here, as far the Google ads, we have also targeted small businesses here that we can really target, and they are ready to use this software, because through us they're going to be knowing the software. Only they just have to click the link, okay, and the software is going to do the rest work for us. And when these people buy this software through our link, we're going to earn 30% from any plan they choose from all the plans. So I already found a website I can use for a demo. So this is the website here. It's a private chef dinner at home. We need to go down to the bottom and find their content. As you can see, we have the content here. All we just need to do now is to go to copy their content and go email them about and introducing this software for them, and making them to know why they need to buy this software and what this software is going to help their business turn into, how this software is going to help their business to increase in their conversion and also help them to get more sales. This is very important. You need to make them know that this software is going to help them to grow their business. So this is a very high targeted method to earn money promoting this software. And for example, if you land on some website that you don't find their email address contact, what you can also do is that you can go to their social media and try to follow them and engage with them, okay, so you can also get their contact, and after you can also introduce this software for them, including your links. Assuming when you target 20 people in a week, when only one buy from them, you're going to get $1,076, which is a very significant amount to earn online, even as a newbie. So guys, you don't need any experience for this to do this. You can also start doing this right now. So guys, I hope you got more value into today's video, and if so, please give this video a thumbs up. I will really appreciate that. And also, if you're new here and haven't, so subscribe to this channel, turn on notification bell button, so each time when I post new videos like this, you will get notified. And also, don't forget to support my other channel, Online Money. So subscribe to my second channel. Also turn on notification bell button, so next time when I create video, you will get update. So thank you for watching this video, guys, and I will see you in my next video. So take care.